Hey, welcome back everybody. My name is Fred from Landscaping Advisors. We are currently working on a project here. We're going to modify this house. We're going to start with the trim. So as you notice, you can check on that trim button, or on the trim button, change the color of it. We're going to go black, so everything is black. Don't forget to do the basement as well, because the basement is separate from the regular house, so you want to make sure that the trim is the same on that. So again, we're going to go ahead and click on that, and there we go. So as you can see, everything in the trim is now black. The garage door, around the garage door, the eaves and the windows are all trimmed in black. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the color of the brick. We're going to make it a little bit more modern. You can see all the different styles you can put on the brick. On the walls of the house, you can also do stucco and siding and whatnot. We'll get into that later. So we're going to pick the regular brick that we've got right now, which is kind of a, I don't know, schoolhouse kind of look, and we're going to go and change that. So you can go into the properties and change the saturation and whatnot. You can actually come up with a black brick, even though it's not in the library. We're also going to change the roof. So you can change the roof to I don't know, if you want to go metal, you can go metal. In this case, we're gonna pick a metal, and we're just gonna make this house a little bit more sleek, a little bit more modern. And there you have it. Last thing we're going to do is change the size of it so that it looks a little bit more realistic when it comes to the actual house itself. We're going to change the door. Again, we're going to pick something that's a little bit more in tune with the house itself. So we're going to pick a dark door, and that suits the house just nicely. And then we can change the color of that too. You'll notice that on the top you'll see what color you're picking. I didn't know this myself at first, but anyways, you can see and scroll down which ones you're going to change, and you can change it to, I don't know, we're just going to do white just to show you. And then well, that's off. And we're going to revert that back. So anyways, that's the benefits of being able to change the little details of the house. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you'll like it and subscribe, and be sure to visit us at landscapingadvisors.com.